Children will continue lesson 2, page 7. Now where is Sindbad? Sindbad is in the deep valley. The valley was surrounded by high mountains all around. There was no way out. Suddenly, his eyes fell on large diamonds that shone in the sun. Now he knew that this was the valley of diamonds about which merchants often talked among themselves. So now he is in a valley. Although it is a valley, but that valley was of treasure. What was the treasure there? It was full of diamonds. And he knew about this valley. He had heard from the merchants, his friends. But at the same time, the valley was full of black snakes too. So in the first video, we had stopped that after the rock drops Sindbad in the deep valley, it picks up a snake and flies away. No? So the valley was filled with black snakes. He felt frightened a lot. In the daytime, the snakes were fast disappearing into their holes because they feared the rock. So daytime, snakes used to hide into the caves. But in the night, what they used to do? They used to come out. But at night, the snakes were out. Sindbad hid himself in a cave. He put a large stone at its mouth to protect himself from them. All through the night, the snakes roamed hissing furiously. So daytime, the snakes used to hide. But at the night, they used to come out and they used to roam because they knew that the bird will not come to pick them up. Now Sindbad was in the cave. He had closed with the help of a stone. He had put himself inside a cave and he was waiting for the morning. And a whole night the snakes were hissing and roaming. What is hissing? Hissing is the sound made by the snakes. Next morning the snakes again went into their holes. Sindbad walked out of the cave. As he was stepping through the diamonds, something hit him from above. It was a large piece of raw meat. More pieces followed. In fact, these meat pieces were being thrown by the merchants. So, next morning, what happened? That means whole night Sindbad was inside the cave only. Now it was morning. As it was morning, where the snakes went? They went into the holes. Now Sindbad moved out of the cave. As he was stepping through the diamonds, he was walking. He was hit by something on his head. What was it? It was a piece of meat. Somebody was throwing pieces of meat inside the cave. In fact, these meat pieces were being thrown by the merchants. Who were throwing these pieces? The merchants. Who are the merchants, children? Merchants are people who buy and sell goods. They thought that the diamonds would stick to the meat pieces. The rock would carry the meat to its nest and thus they would get the diamonds. Why these merchants were throwing the pieces of meat in the valley, in the cave? So that with the piece of meat, when the bird will come to the valley to pick up the meat, the diamonds will stick to it and the bird will carry the diamonds to its nest. So the bird will eat the meat and the merchants will pick up the diamonds. Sindbad very quickly picked up many beautiful diamonds and put them in his pocket. So here again Sindbad, wise man, what did he do? He picked up some beautiful diamonds and he put in his pocket. Then now what was his next plan? Then he tied a large piece of meat to himself and lay down on the ground. First, where did he tie himself? First, he had tied himself to the leg of the bird. Now what did he do? He tied himself to the piece of meat and he was lying on the ground. Why he was lying on the ground? Thinking that the bird will pick up the piece of meat, so I will also fly with the piece of meat. Just then a big rock swooped down and picked him up in air. It landed in its nest on a mountain. His fellow merchants were waiting for their bird there. So now the bird came and the bird picked up the same meat piece in which Sindbad was tied. Then the bird takes him to its nest. They drove the bird away from the nest. It flew off but dropped Sindbad there. The merchants were quite happy to see him safe. He told them about the Valley of Diamonds. They brought Sindbad home in their ship. So now when the bird went to the nest, who was there with the bird? Sindbad was also there. And then as Sindbad reached the nest, he untied himself and he fell into the nest, and the merchants were waiting there. And then he met his friends, his merchants. Everybody was happy to see Sindbad back. Then what did he do? Sindbad told them about the story of the Valley of Diamonds, and he must have shown also the diamonds to them, isn't it? Because he had taken so many in his pocket. And then they go back to Baghdad. So with this we complete the lesson, children. I hope you understood the story. Now in the copy what you have to do. Now you will write today's date and write the name of the lesson. Make a double margin. Write the hard words, meanings. Then multiple choice, fill in the blanks and question answers. In your fair copy, first you must have written the cursive writing, cursive ABCD, then the poem, then questions from the poem, that is complete the word and all. And now this lesson, 3 pages are there, children. Okay, please complete your fair copy. Okay, children. Thank you. God bless you.